Your mind is the most powerful and potent piece of equipment on the planet. And I liken it again, if you think about it, I know you're a pilot, Bill, and one of the examples I use, in my own life and in other people's lives, if you were a fighter jet pilot, what would you have to learn? You'd have to learn how every button works under every condition, under every circumstance, daytime, nighttime, hail, sleet, rain, or snow. Well, we've never been taught anything about our own brains, and you do a brilliant job teaching that. And so if you don't know how it works, and you've got all these systems working, all these buttons that you could push, and all these ways you could program the autopilot like you can in a fighter jet, and you don't know how to do that, you're not working with a full deck. You're only working with a very, very small part of your psyche that's responsible for very little in our life. And in the last few years, especially the last 5 years, we've gotten to understand our brain even more than ever before. 98% of what we knew before is obsolete, basically. And so it's our job to really upgrade the software of our own brain to understand how it interacts with the universe and with other humans. Part of the challenge we get into, even in dialogues, because I remember, when I was younger, he would say, well, you're capable of doing this and capable of doing that. The challenge that I remember I had, and I would imagine people listening would have, is I came up with all of my own excuses why I couldn't. And I realized why today, but I didn't understand then. I said, I don't have a college degree. I'm only 21. How could I make $1 million a year? I don't speak English very well. I speak French better than I do English. I came up with all of the excuses. I started to do what I was taught later was called rationalize. I started to tell myself rational lies as to why I couldn't do those things. And that really caught my curiosity as to how to overcome that and how to really retrain my brain and how to understand more. And after 20 years of reconditioning my own brain and understanding a little bit more about the universe of the brain and building companies, it makes it a lot easier now to show people, here's what you're feeling, here's what's causing your doubt and your fear and your anxiety, here's what's happening, here's why it's happening, here's what you can do about it. You and I weren't fortunate enough to have the science behind all the books we read back then. They just said, positive mental attitude, it works well, you can do it, you've got great potential. Well, but when your brain is firing off neurotransmitters saying, no, you can't, you're dumb, you're ugly, you're young, you're old, you're this or you're that, you succumb to that fairly quickly. But today we can actually change that. And again, Holocene is one way to do that I love. But really helping people understand what's happening. I'm really into the space of my life of showing people why when we tell them, why when I tell you you are capable of achieving anything, we can back it up with scientific evidence to show them that anybody could do it.